Alright, so welcome back to another video, and this viewer right here gave me a video idea, so I guess I have to do it. And what this video idea is looking at this version of Linux. So let's basically get started. Let me just show you the version of Linux here. Let me just bring over this file explorer window. It's called Hannah Montana Linux. So let's get started and review this, shall we? So apparently it only runs on 32-bit systems, so I'm going to make a 32-bit virtual machine. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a new virtual machine. We're going to call typical. We're going to do this. We're going to choose Windows XP Professional. We're going to do Windows XP Professional 32-bit. Next, and we're going to call it Weird Linux, even though it's a Windows XP machine. Weird Linux. I don't care what I spell it. I'm just gonna call it Weird Linux. Next. 40 gig drive should be fine. Next. Let's go to customize. 512 megabytes of RAM should be good because yeah. Fun processor core. We're gonna use an ISO image. We're gonna go to ISOs. Hannah Montana Linux. Close. Finish. Alright, let's check this out now. So, let's power on the virtual machine, and then we're going to full screen and stretch it. Because, it's pretty important to the virtual machine. No, I'm not going to do this. And, okay, great. It actually worked. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, we're going to do English. Because there's no mouse cursor. Alright, let's click install, I guess. I don't even know what this is. I think this is a fan-made version of Linux. Okay, so Hannah Montana Linux with the freaking progress bar like that. What type of progress bar is this? Like, someone explain this to me. What type of progress bar is this? I have no idea. I don't know what to say. I just do not know what to say. Okay, so I'll be right back after something interesting happens. Well, it's been on a black screen for a while. Let's try rebooting it. Cause who knows, maybe we gotta reboot. Okay. We can change this. English. Okay, so for some reason you can try it. So let's just click try it here. Because we can just try it instead of installing, and then we can install it from there. And there's the weird goofy progress bar again. And Linux is this looks like a fan-made thing that you could make at home, and it's like really easy to make. And I don't even know what that's about. And there we go, we're actually booting up, and it's Hannah Montana Linux. And I don't know what this is. This is a weird mouse cursor. As you can see, the mouse cursor, I'm moving around here. We're at a black screen again. So I don't know how to feel about this. I really don't. And by the way, this version of Linux is based on Ubuntu. Okay, I don't know what to say about this. By the way, this taskbar is not from the Linux distro. Of course, this is a Windows 10 taskbar. But anyways, okay, there we go. We've got this beige screen. Okay, there we go. So now we've got a bunch of things. As you can see, this still says about Kubuntu. Don't know why it still says about Kubuntu, but it does. And there's a bouncing thing. Okay, so this is about Kubuntu. This was made, I guess it's made in 2009 because the copyright says 2009. And they have styled this a bit. See, this is like purple and pink. This is pink and then there's purple here. So that's pretty cool. Then, this is the Hannah Montana Linux thing. I think these are just all the files in the thing. So, yeah, let's just close out of that. Let's close out of that. Let's install this because, yeah, there's the bouncing install icon, of course. The bouncing install icon. Okay, there we go. So now the install menu is loading. Welcome, ready to install. Okay, there's like a bunch of things. So English is selected. Welcome! Ready to install? Once you answer a few questions, the contents of the live CD can be installed on this computer so you can run the system at full speed and without the CD. Answering the question should only take a few minutes. Okay, let's click forward. It should be called next, but it's called forward. So time zones. Yeah, time zones. Okay, that looks like the correct time zone to me. Sure, even though I'm not in Indiana, whatever. USA is the correct thing. USA. Let's click forward again. So what we're gonna do is how do you want to partition the disk? Use the entire disk. Yeah, that's the disk. Let's forward it. And oh wow, the disk has been partitioned already. What's your name? Let's type in 7zeb. Actually, no, type in rootwick. Root. Can you only type one letter? If you can only type one letter, that's just. Oh, there we go. It wasn't selected. Rootwick. Now let's change it to 7zeb. Not 7zen. 7zeb. Okay, that's nice. Choose a password. Lol ol. Okay, so lol ol. Required a password to log in. Let's click forward. And it's giving us an error here. The username you entered is invalid. Well, that's concerning. Alright, so let's just type in Zeb here, as we can. Next. Forward. Use weak password. You've entered a weak password. Continue. Okay, so here is just the details. It says language English, keyboard layout USA, and it has all of those things. Okay, so let's click install. Okay, so now it's preparing to install, and it's doing all the stuff here. As you can see right now, it's creating the ext file system. So yeah, let's just do a time lapse, I guess. Okay, so we gotta restart. Okay, I guess it's done. Let's try to log in. Zeb, and lol, ol. Well, what is this? I don't know what this is. Well, yeah, this is pretty weird and awkward. I don't know what the hell just happened. Well, guys, thank you guys for watching. It's stuck in a boot loop now. So, we got it installed, so it's basically not an everything goes wrong video. But, yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So, yeah, goodbye, guys.